show you how to do the City of Angels TikTok trend, which is very popular and also very easy to learn. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's get into it. So, the very first thing we're going to do is cross our arms 2 times. But instead of doing it like this, like most people do it like this, but it's going to look better, I guess, if we do it like this. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. We are going to step on our right leg. So for our legs, it's going to look like this. 1, 2. Like once again, 1, 2. And then with our hands, it's going to look better. So 1, 2, like that. So we're just going to cross and cross, cross and cross. 2 times. Cross, cross. Once again, cross, cross. So after this, we're going to wait 2 seconds. So cross, cross, 1, 2. For those 2 seconds, you can either stand like this or you're just going to go like this, however you want. For those 2 seconds, you can do whatever you want. So cross, cross. And now we're going to do this movement. Up, down. So let me just explain quickly. Many people do this. Many people do this. So I'm just going to explain to you how to do it like this, just in case you want to do it like that. So let me just stand over here so you see it better. So for our right hand, we're going to do like a circle with our hand. Just pretend we are grabbing something. And we go up, down. Once again, circle, up, down. Grab something, up, down. Once again, grab something, up, down. And for our other hand, it's just going to be here all the time. We're not going to move it. Well, for that moment. So we're going to go over, up, down. Once again, over, up, down. Over, up, down. And it looks like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Like that. So I guess it looks a little bit better than just doing this, but you can choose your favorite. Like some people like it like this, some like this. So you choose, and now let's move on. But before, we're gonna do it from the very beginning. So cross, cross, 1, 2, up, down. I don't know if you've noticed it yet, but when I do this, I also go up, stand on my toes. We're gonna go up like this. Up, down. And with our head, we're also gonna look a little bit higher, so not like this. We're gonna go up like that. So cross, cross, 1, 2, up, down. Let's move on. So after this, we're gonna go 1, then we're gonna go down. Our hands are in fists like this, down, cross, and then we're just gonna show a heart with our hands like this, just a normal heart, like that. And now let's start from the very beginning. Cross, cross, 1, 2, up, down, 1, down, cross, heart. And after this, we are gonna go like this. So to do that, it's actually very easy to do. Maybe it looks hard, but it's not. The only thing we have to do is go up with our hands like this, and then over here, we're gonna do a circle only with our hands, not like with our arms like this, only with our hands, and we're gonna go up like this. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. And you just have to practice it a few times, and then you're just gonna get it like. So just try to do it faster and faster, and eventually you're gonna get it like this. So you have to do it fast. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's start from the very beginning, and then we will move on. So let's go. Cross, cross, 1, 2, up, down, 1, down, cross, heart, up. And now we're gonna clap 3 times. So you are gonna hear when to clap. So don't worry about that, just clap 3 times. And then when you hear the music, you're gonna know when to clap. So clap, clap, clap. You can clap like this, like this, however you want. Just clap 3 times. And then, so after this, we're gonna go like this. So just pretend you're gonna shout. So you can shout either like this or like this, just shout however you want. So it says, woo, in the song. So you're just gonna do that like this. And now let's start from the very beginning. Cross, cross, 1, 2, up, gonna go with our elbow to the side, like this, like that. So just do it fast. And when you go to the side, just pretend there's a wall here, over here. So you have to go like this and then back. So like that. One and then back. Once again, one, back. Once again, one, back. And now let's start from the very beginning. Cross, cross. 1, 2. Up, down. 1, down, cross. Heart, up. Clap, clap, clap. Shout. Side. And now we're gonna cross our arms like this. Just our hands, we're gonna put them on our shoulders. Then our hands are still on our shoulders, but we're gonna uncross them. So 1, 2, once again, 1, 2. And now we're gonna go like this. So we're just doing the same thing we did here, but we're just gonna go higher. Do the same thing, but a little bit higher. And we're gonna point up with our fingers like this. So cross and cross, circle up. Once again, cross and cross, circle up. And now we have only 2 movements left, which are practically the same. So we're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. That's the very end. So to do that, I'm just gonna show you. Our right hand is in a fist. Our left one is just gonna go here by our side. If you want to do something with it, put it here. But it's not gonna look very nice. So do whatever you want with your left hand. So we're gonna go down like this. So first of all, our head goes up. Then we sit down. And then we're gonna begin with our legs and end with our head. So head, legs, legs, head. Once again, head, legs, legs, head. So let's start from the very beginning 3 times. 2 of them slow, 1 fast, and we're done. Cross, cross. 1, 2. Up, down. 1, down, cross. Heart, up. Clap, clap, clap. Shout. Side, cross, uncross. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, slowly. Cross, cross. 1, 2, up, down, 1, down, cross, heart, up, clap, 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 shout, 1, 2, cross, uncross, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're gonna do the same thing, but a little bit faster, and that's it. So let's go. Cross, cross, 1, 2, 1, down, cross, heart, up, clap, 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 shout, side, cross, uncross, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!